aí foi pro chão, não teve jeito não. Ah. Look at, no, watch his motor mouth. Do it again. Hold on. Do it again. It comes completely out. Oh my god. Oh! It's not stopping. Oh. Oh. Mas loh mas, mau meletak loh mas. Oh god! Look at the water! Oh my god, dude, that's not real.
Ô Romeu, perdeu o vinho aí, rapaz. Olha só,
Nossa, tá tirando mais.
Acabou de estourar, ó. Rapaz do céu, olha.
Ok. Houve um equívoco. Qual um equívoco?
To the hood we go. What?
When you have to stay busy for the rest of the day.
Here's one I'm gonna share with you guys today. Oh! Oops.
Ui! Hoppala!
What wrong? Why you burning? What burning? Roof burning, what the fuck?
Yes, sir. This is my problem to handle. Thank you very much. What are you doing here again, dude? I know that's cat food. That's not possum food. Stanley, you see this?
Hey, you want a mint?
Oh, I started this at 10 and it's just past 12 for a cooking tutorial.
Right inside of your cake mix. This is sugar-free cherry Coke and sugar-free.
Actually, I want a cheese. Fine.
Yep. I can already see it.
This is not the best way to eat a cupcake. You take the bottom part, put it on top. You don't get messy. It's so much better.
Hey, yo, there's a speed bump up here.
Alright, without hurting your feelings, I have a question.
Okay.
Are you trying?
Yeah.
Where'd you get these? Where'd you get these?
Is there any bird feed?
Get out!
Oh, you got it. No, you snacked it. Ew.
It's attacking me!
現金ないんやと。優待券の乗り物券では乗る。現金だけとかさ。やめた。せっかくあるのに。全部消したら。
Shake, walk through and let him out. You want to go out? Hold on. Want to go out?
The boss man says this morning, he says, hey, you think maybe you could go one day without fucking up? I said, absolutely, boss man. I said, let's start that tomorrow though, because I'm not sure that today's fuck up's already been penciled in.